Hello again, everyone. In the last video, we successfully created this feature one option. Also, you can implement the same process with feature two and feature three, and also you can add a background color for this section as an option. So what I want to do is I want to add a background color. So let's get into our customizer, and then let's get down here. Okay, and features section, background color, and we can copy one of our color settings. So let's copy this. Okay, let's get back, paste this here. Okay, so let's change this into let's change multiple. Okay, features, background color. So we have features section, we have features background color, which is the same settings name, and we have this features background color. Okay, it's 5. So I think we're good here. So let's get into here and check that out. Okay. Add in here and customize. You can go to features and you can see that we have a new option. So let's link that option into our uh, features section. So if you go here and inspect in this section, you can see that we have background color here. So for this section, we basically need to target this features dash icons class. Okay, so let's go into get back here, and let's get down here, and let's add a comment. Actually, it's, uh, features section. Okay, and here we can add something like this one. For example, we need to target the I forgot the name. What was that? It's features icons, features dash icons, and inside here we need to target the background color. So for that we need to get our let's first echo and get theme mod, and we need to have this this setting. Let's paste that here, and we need to have the default value. So in our case, it's this value. So let's copy this and let's paste that here. Okay, so let's save and let's get back and let's close this. Let's reload and let's see. Okay, we have the background. It's loading. Okay, so if we go to the color, now we can change the color. Change the color. It's like this one, for example. Nothing changed, so that's weird. I think we need to add important here. Basically, it's important to add important after each one of your customized styles. So let's add these here also in the other, oops, in the other styles. So in this case, important. Let's save. Let's get back. Let's reload features icons. Okay. So let's get down here, and you can see that we have this color as a default value. So I think we need another color. We forgot to change the color in the customizer here, the setting. You can see that we have this color, so we need to add this one instead. Let's save. Let's reload, and let's get into here and see. Let's add background. Okay, now it's working. So basically, you can change the background color from your customizer. And also, with the same process, you can also change the font color. So basically, you need to target the section, and inside the section, you need to target the H1. Let's make sure it's H2. Maybe it's H2 or H3. Okay, you need to target the H3, and the paragraph will lead. Okay, so basically, of course, you can change the color of that feature. Actually, you can change that uh, for the three features, the color for the three features. So also, you can add a general settings. For example, here you can add a section for general settings, and you can change the main color for your theme. So in our case, we have let's close this. We have this main color, which is the blue. So you can change the blue here and also here. And we will have a social media icons, so you can change the color as the main color for the social icons. Also, you can change the color for here in the social icons, of course, and the forum here. And also, you can change the color for the footer, which we forgot to import. Okay. So that's a good we need to change the we need to import our footer inside here, inside the front page. So let's get into down here. Okay, and instead of this footer, let's get here. Let's get rid of let's see, we can change that. Yeah, footer. Okay, let's get to here, and basically we can call, let's call that, let's call this the WP footer. So WP footer down here. It's WP or get footer, sorry. It's get footer. So let's save. Let's get back and reload now. Okay. And oh, we need to change some features here, some of the options. So let's get back into our footer.php in here. Okay, And in the footer, we don't need to display the archives and sorry the sidebar widgets inside our front page. So obviously we need to wrap these with an if statement. So let's is that right? Yes, it is. So let's cut these first and let's get to here. And we need to add if, and we need to ask if it is not is oops, front page. Okay, if it is not front page, basically we need to go ahead and print out our widgets. So and if and let's paste the widgets here. Okay, so save. Let's get back and let's reload. And at the bottom here, you can see that we don't have the widgets inside our front page. Okay. So also the same process as we changed the options for this section, for the features section. The same process, of course, you can change the image here for this section, and also you can change the text. You can change the background for each section. For each, let's say we have here a project, you can change each text for each project of these three projects. Also, you can change the image as well with the same process as we change the image here. So I will not implement that. I will not record that process. Also, you can change the same for these testimonials. Okay, you can obviously change the image. We have here a circle image for each one of these, and also we have a name, and we have this text beneath it. Okay, so I will not go ahead and record that, but obviously I will do that and paste the code in the GitHub link so you can see the final version of the code, of course. So what I want to do here is to inside this section I need to add uh, a menu for social links with icons, and also I want to add some forms for contacts and so on. So I will implement that in the next video. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next.